Good evening and welcome to today's Insta live conversation, a conversation about beauty and wellness, where I am going to answer a very important question, a question about how long does one have to take vitamin supplements. So today when a client, Maya, asked me this question, she said that she has been taking vitamin C ever since the pandemic started, and now it's a year that we have been dealing with this pandemic. So she has been taking vitamin C supplements every day. By every day she means most of the days. Yes, we do forget to take supplements once in a while, but she said she has been taking it most of the days for the last 1 year, and she wants to know, is it okay to stop now? If she stops now, will she continue getting the benefits of vitamin C? Has her immunity been boosted enough that she can now stop the vitamin C supplementation? And I thought, let me go live on Instagram, because I am sure a lot of people have started taking vitamin C supplements after the pandemic. Yes, vitamin C is a very common supplement. It's very cost effective too, and since a lot of people have been taking it for a long time, but after the pandemic there was a lot of conversation about this vitamin C, and a lot more people are now taking the vitamin C supplement. And I am sure this question would have come in many minds, that is it okay to stop the vitamin C supplement now, or does one have to take it till the pandemic ends, or how long exactly does one have to take the vitamin C supplement? And in the next 10 minutes I will be answering how vitamins exactly work, that there are two different kind of vitamins, that is the water soluble vitamins and the fat soluble vitamins. So I'll make you aware of these two different categories of vitamins, and I will be telling you how to get maximum benefit from these vitamins, how to take these vitamins in a smart way to get these benefits and to continue getting these benefits. So if you remember, I have used the word water soluble vitamins. That is one word that you need to keep in mind, because this conversation is not just going to be about giving you gyan or about giving you pieces of advice. This conversation is about giving you understanding, because once you understand something, you use it best in your life, and not just that, you are able to apply it in other similar areas of life. So through my conversations, you will be able to get rid of some myths, get used to some facts, know some facts better, use them better, and more importantly, you will understand how the body works, how these things, like vitamins or antibiotics and different things, how exactly they work in the body, so that you know how to take smarter decisions, how you can make little changes and get huge results. So I also want to tell you about Piyush. Piyush is another client who I met just last week. So Piyush was also talking about how his skin has miraculously improved after taking multivitamins and antioxidants. So Piyush takes the antioxidant glutathione. Glutathione is known as the mother of all antioxidant, or the master antioxidant, and once you take like powerful antioxidants like glutathione and you take them for a really long period of time, you start seeing a different kind of health in the skin, a different kind of glow in the skin. So after taking glutathione for 6 months, somebody had recommended Piyush glutathione, and the reason they had recommended is glutathione has excellent immune building properties. It does strengthen the immune system. It does help fight against infectious diseases better. So the reason he was taking glutathione was to improve his immunity, but then he also saw that his skin was improving. And now he said he feels that he's taking too many things for his immunity. He feels good about having taken vitamins and antioxidants for like 6 months. He has seen even other benefits of this, and he wanted to know if he could stop the glutathione now, just like Maya wanted to know if she could stop the vitamin C now. So those of you who are listening to me, do you have any such questions? Do you want to know which is the right time to stop a multivitamin? So I have also said that what is the right time to start a super nutrition, what is the right time to start taking care of your skin, what is the right time to start multivitamins that's good for your skin and hair. So I always say that the right time to start is now. So you heard this, of course it's on a fun note, but then it's a very, very pertinent point too. Now we are talking about what is the right time to stop taking the multivitamin. So here I would like to tell you, whatever multivitamin you're taking, number one is, though it's a multivitamin, it's a superfood, it's called a nutraceutical, I would still humbly want to tell you that, but it has to be taken in the right dose, in the right manner. You have to understand what vitamin do you really need, because there is a sea of vitamins available and anybody can get carried away by just following trends. So following trends, I mean, it could be fun in some areas, but when it comes to health and wellness, remember, no one size fits all. So following trends in health and fitness really isn't a great idea. Please talk to a physician, please talk to a wellness expert and find out what your body needs. It is not necessary that you always need blood tests to find out what your body needs. There are a lot of signals. A good doctor will be able to ask you a couple of questions or half a dozen questions. Look at your general health, because your general health, your skin and hair health, your aches and pains, the way your body behaves, the way your body accumulates weight, the way your body loses weight, all of these can say a lot of things about the internal health of the body, and your doctor should be able to prescribe you a vitamin that is good for you. Now, if you have been prescribed a water soluble multivitamin, so I would not cover too many things here because I do not want to overcomplicate it for you at all. I want to keep it as simple as it can be, and the reason why I simplify everything is, I know the more simple it is, the more you understand it, the more likely you are able to take action on what you have learned. And what generally happens is, we learn a lot of things, but we do not take action on most of them. And only learning without action is meaningless, is useless. So we are today talking only about the water soluble multivitamin. So if you are taking a multivitamin, it is easy for you to ask your doctor or Google and find out if it is water soluble or fat soluble. If it is a water soluble vitamin, like I spoke about two nutritions or two nutraceuticals today, one is vitamin C, which everybody knows, and one is glutathione, which also a lot of people have heard about. Both of these are water soluble. So as the name says, a water soluble vitamin is not going to be stored in the body for a very long time. Even if you take a little extra of the water soluble vitamin, your body is going to absorb what it needs, and the remaining is going to be flushed out of your body. The remaining is going to go away from your body, maybe through your sweat, maybe through your urination. Every time you lose water from your body, the water soluble vitamin may go away from the body. So there is no mechanism in which you can store this water soluble vitamin in the body. I hope this gives you a perspective of where I am going. Like saying, in the winters, I love strawberries, and I probably eat strawberry for a whole month. So every day of that month, I am eating strawberries, and my skin is glowing even more in the winter. But then I know once I stop eating those strawberries, the antioxidants that I am getting from those strawberries are not glued to me. They're not going to stay with me, so that for the whole year I am getting the benefits of that strawberry. You know, when you're eating a lot of fruits, you have a different kind of glow, and when you stop eating those kind of fruits, it's not the next day that the glow goes away, because your cells have absorbed it, your cells are in better health. But in a very short period of time, the benefits of those fruits, the benefits of the vitamins and the antioxidants of the fruit will go away. So now you have understood that if the nutrition is water based, it doesn't have a shelf life inside the body. It is used by the cells as per their need, the new cells which are growing. So when the cells are growing, if the vitamin is present in the body, the cells are going to absorb them and the cells are going to be radiant health. They are going to be healthy on the inside, and outside you're going to look even more beautiful, even more attractive. But when a cell is being born, if that vitamin is not present in your system, then the cell does not have the advantage of that vitamin in the system. Same is for immunity. So if we have high antioxidants and vitamin C, even vitamin C is used because it's an antioxidant, and antioxidants help fight immunity. So if you are taking vitamin C to improve your immunity, to catch coughs and colds a lot less, to get any kind of viral infections a lot less, you have to continue to take it as long as you want to reap the benefits of it. Most of these vitamins are very, very safe. We are still talking about the water soluble vitamins, because when it comes to fat soluble vitamins, there is a totally different understanding. We will address it some other time, but you can Google if you're consuming some vitamins. Today Google has the answers. Of course, Google can give you a direction. I repeat this in every conversation that I have. Self-medication is not why we are having this conversation. We are having this conversation so that you get perspectives, you get information, and you can talk to your doctor to give you more information or personalized information, how this information is helpful to you. So you can take this conversation forward with your doctor, with your wellness expert, with me. Yes, you can connect with me on Messenger. You can go to my website www.skinsense.co.in and you can ask me questions and you can find out how this applies to you. So if you have found this useful, I'll be really happy if you can even share it forward. So one girl asked me this question and I went ahead and I'm having this conversation with you because I know that many of you, though you haven't directly asked me this question, I am sure that this conversation has started some thought process in your mind and has helped you think what vitamins you want to start and how long you must have it, has clarified your perspectives about vitamins to some extent. So I would leave you today on a very, very good note that vitamin C needs to be taken for a really long period of time. You cannot take it just for a few weeks or a few months. You may have to take it for many, many months and then you start seeing really good results of the vitamin. 4 months or 6 months down the line, you start seeing great benefits by taking antioxidants and vitamins. And yes, once you have got the benefits, you will have to continue the nutritional supplementation, though you need not necessarily continue at a very high dose. You can now continue it just over the weekends. Like me personally, I do not take multivitamins every single day. In fact, I have not taken multivitamins every single day ever. But at least over the weekends, I do take certain multivitamins because I am aware that I am not getting everything from food. And since most of the times we cook food, we do not have raw food. So I'm aware that most of the antioxidants, most of the multivitamins, they get cooked when I heat the food because multivitamins are not stable when it comes to exposing them to heat. So I do have my multivitamins over the weekend. So you could consider if that is a good idea for you, or you can eat mindfully. Yes, though I talk a lot about supplementation, the reason I talk about supplementation is it suits my clients' lifestyle. My clients have very busy lifestyle. In fact, most of the time they're not even eating food on time. So what they're eating and whether it is raw and to eat mindfully, sometimes, though I keep talking about these things, but I do realize that when they are their mind is full of work, they do not make these small distinctions, and that is the reason I put them on multivitamins. I hope this conversation was helpful. For more such conversations, write to me if there is a question in your mind, and if you write to me and if I think that this conversation is going to help a lot of people and I talk about it in my next Insta Live, you will not only be getting the answer for yourself, but you will be helping so many other people get an answer to their question. And you know that the answer that I share will be simplified, will help you take some action step. So you are going to help others live a life of more wellness and more beauty. I hope you like this initiative where I pick up a question that a client asked me at the clinic and I answer it for you in 15 minutes. I hope it was helpful. Thank you so much for joining in. See you tomorrow.